Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a SpareRoom account. All right. First up, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account. If you just want to deactivate your account and in the future, if you want to reactivate it again, you can just go ahead and log in with the same account credentials. All right. Here is the link. Don't worry, I'm going to leave this one in the description. All right. You can just go ahead and put this link onto your browser and make sure to log in. Now, once done, go ahead and click on deactivate my SpareRoom membership right here. Click on it. All right, as you can see here, it says your account has been deactivated. Now, again, if you do want to reactivate it, just go ahead and log in with the same account credentials. All right. If not, if you really want to delete your account, you can go ahead and contact the SpareRoom support right here. Now, here is the number where you would want to call. For UK, 0161 768 1162, and for USA, 1-877-834-2909. All right, go ahead and give them a call. Let them know that you wanted to close your account or delete your account. And once done, wait for their magic to be done. And that's basically it. All right. Just do keep in mind that their support is available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and on weekends, 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.